Do I teach Zohar in Kabbalah? I quote the Zohar relatively often. I would say in most lectures there's at least one time that I quote the Zohar. Most, not all. Some I quote it much more than others, but that's because the Zohar is not just about Kabbalah. The Zohar is also has different teachings of halacha and also midrash. So there's plenty of teachings of the Zohar. If the Zohar over here, you see there's plenty of books. It's not just Kabbalah Ma'asit, makes you fly in the air and see all types of angels to play with. There's a lot more to the Zohar than people think. That's number one. As far as Kabbalah in general, real Kabbalah is not taught by anybody publicly. It's not supposed to be taught by anybody publicly. But again, there's different levels of Kabbalah. The Kabbalah that most people are referring to, which is the supernatural, spiritual stuff, that's not something that's to be taught to the public. There are lower levels of Kabbalah that talk about specific names, help people with specific prayers, specific understandings, deeper meanings to things. That, if with the right crowd, you can teach it. But again, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very selective. And certainly you have to have a rabbi that is much greater than you and you could ever be, that is going to direct you of what you do and how you do it. Anyone that does it with all of that in mind, certainly is going to go in the right path. Anyone that does it on their own, as their lone ranger type of guy, where they're just simply teaching whatever they feel is necessary and they're writing books about it, all type of stuff, usually you'll see those people go astray, where on one end they're saying the holy names of God and holy names of angels, and on the other end they have all types of immodest pictures on their websites and their Facebook posts, which obviously the two contradict each other. So people like that delve into the upper level of Torah, but without the right formula, usually you'll see them contradict each other and make themselves and a public disgrace. And this happens over time. I've seen it plenty of times. There's some people that have contacted me over the years asking me if I want to be involved in such things, or they wanted to, befriend me or whatever it was. But as soon as I knew who it was, or I do some checks before I usually talk to people, I see that, these things are involved. I simply stay away. I don't even have a conversation. So Kabbalah in general, again, there's different levels. The highest level of Kabbalah is not taught in public.